What kind of marketing do you advise in addition to SEO? Hey, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. I don't think there is a better way to advertise yourself, but you need to do portrait videos, right? And you need to then stick those videos. You can use something like buffer.com or Opus Clip, and you want to stick those videos every day, different videos onto Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. YouTube Shorts, not so much. I think the YouTube Shorts for marketing is not a great idea. I find it's not great. There's like an ice cream store, like a dessert place in my village town, Syston, right? There's a car dealer somewhere around there. There's a sandwich store. There's a fruit store. And in the last a pub that's just reopened about 5 minutes away, right? In the last 2 weeks, all of them have started putting videos out now on TikTok. Some of the videos are nonsensical. They're just having a bit of fun, whatever, right? But the majority of them are about, look at our location. Here's where the toilets are. Here's where you go and sit. Here's how you book a table. Here's our menu. Here's what we're serving up today. Oh, look, here's a brand new dessert we've created. Here's like our car park kind of thing. Here's our opening hours. Hey, we've got a karaoke night. And people are using that. And that kind of marketing, okay, when you push out, you can do this for free, okay, to Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. You do like 2 or 3 videos. I recommend you do 2 or 3 videos a day. And some people go, I ain't got time for that. Fuck's sake, right? Grab your phone and record and spend 5-10 minutes recording a video doing different stuff. Then you got your footage, you cut it up. Your videos don't have to be 5 minutes long. It could be 1 minute, could be 10 seconds, could be 5 seconds. I mean, 5 seconds probably too short. You know, you split them up and then you just do it. And then you schedule them in. What do you think I do? Have you noticed how many portrait videos I have going out every day on Twitter and LinkedIn? Has anyone noticed? I record a normal video and that might go on YouTube. I then use Opus Clips. So on YouTube, this video came out 1 hour ago. I then uploaded this video in 4K quality to Opus Clip. And it's now given me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 15 clips. I release 4 a day. So I go over here. Look at this. Look at this. Insta, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Twitter. I don't do YouTube Shorts anymore because I feel like they're not great. And look at this. And all I'm going to do is hit select time. And I'm not going to do it now, but let's pretend. And I do this every Monday morning. Every Monday takes me about half an hour. I'll go in and go, right, I want this video to go out at 12 o'clock midday. Boom, hit schedule and it will schedule all of that. And I'll do it for Monday to Sunday. So half an hour, Monday morning, I will have scheduled 4 or 5 of those videos every day to 4 different social media accounts, including TikTok, Monday to Sunday. That was a 6-minute video. And I got out of that 15 shorts. So normally, if I'm doing, say, let's just say 5 a day, it's usually about 5 a day. So that's going to be 35 shorts I need. Well, I've got 15. There might be a couple of other videos, and that gets me up to my 35, 40 I need. And then I just schedule them. That's your marketing done. So when so many companies at the moment, they go, build me a website, and they think they're going to get to page 1 on Google. Or you built the website, and they go, no one's visiting. No one's booking any calls. No one's buying anything. What did you do wrong? And my question back to them is, what marketing have you done? What do you mean marketing? I paid you to do the SEO keywords. Yeah, we did the keywords, but what marketing are you doing? I don't need to do marketing. Yes, you fucking do. And that is the problem with why so many businesses struggle. They just don't get into their head or understand that no matter how big and popular you are, you have to let the world know about you. Why does Coca-Cola still do adverts? They don't need to do it. Pepsi. Why does McDonald's do adverts? I mean, come on. Do McDonald's need to do adverts? Like, will anyone in the world, probably someone, not know who McDonald's are or what they offer or whatever, but they still advertise? No matter how big you are, No matter how fancy you made your website, no matter how many keywords you popped in, or how many McDonald's stores you got, or how many Pepsi Maxes are loaded into every fridge of every corner shop and supermarket around the world, you still need to do marketing. Businesses out there, landscapers. Oh, I got my landscaping website. Big deal. But if that landscaper started doing TikTok videos where they showed, like, here's what we built, here's a new fence, here's how we like to cut our garden. I'm not joking here, right? A landscaper could really easily do a video about mowing, and they could say, at this time of the year, your mower might have different levels. You can have low blade, medium blade, high blade. But this time of the year, because it's been super hot in the UK, right? And your grass might be quite parched, and now it's starting to rain. When you next cut it, I recommend you go from high to medium. That's the kind of advice and marketing you can do. You don't have to always say, hi, I'm a landscaper. I charge £500 to cut your lawn. Come and hire me. I'll cut your lawn for you. I can do it today. I'll even bring my own lawnmower. Boom. No, you don't. You're selling over the benefits. What is the reward the client's going to get? Excellent grass, excellent website, excellent teeth, right? That's what you need to do.